Hey there, coders. Welcome back to another exciting episode in our Rust programming series. Today, we are diving into one of the most fundamental subtopic of string, that is how to replace part of string. Replacing part of string is a common operation in many programming tasks, such as data processing, text transformation. In Rust, we can easily replace substring by using dot replace method. This method is a part of string type and provides a powerful way to perform replacement, whether you are dealing with single character or a more complex pattern. The dot replace method creates a new string with replaced text. Now, let's open the editor and see how it works. First, let's declare a variable s5 which holds the string hello world. Then declare a second variable, let's say replaced, and use dot replace method. Dot replace method from hello, no, not hello, from world to India. Hello India. Now let's print replaced. Now, one interesting fact about this, the original string remained unchanged. If you print original string, that is s5, it remained unchanged. S5. Let's print that. It remained unchanged. So you use dot replace for non-destructive modification. In this video, we learned about how to replace some part of string. In the next video, we will learn about how to trim white space. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next one. Let's keep building with Rust. Thank you.